Good day, ka-happy math! In this lesson, you will learn the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. The value of the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. This value can be used to describe the nature of the roots of quadratic equation. It can be 0, positive and perfect square, positive but not perfect square, or negative. Sa pamamagitan ng discriminant, malalaman natin kung yung roots ba ng quadratic equation o yung sagot kapag nag-solve tayo ng quadratic equation ay magkapareho, magkaiba, o imaginary numbers. Number 1. When b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real numbers and are equal. Example, x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. First, identify the value of a, b, c. A equals 1, b equals negative 4, and c equals positive 4. Next, substitute this to discriminant formula. B squared minus 4ac equals negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4. Simplify, negative 4 squared equals positive 16. Negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4 times positive 4 equals negative 16. Negative 16 minus 16 equals 0. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is 0, we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0 are real numbers and are equal. Ibig sabihin nito, kapag na-solve natin ang x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0 o kinuha natin yung roots, ang magiging sagot ay parehong number. This can be checked by determining the roots of x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0 using any of the methods of solving quadratic equation. Upang malaman natin kung talagang equal ang roots ng x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0, gagamit tayo ng factoring method. The factors are the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2 equals 0. Equate the factor equal to 0, x minus 2 equals 0, x equals positive 2. Next, x minus 2 equals 0, x equals positive 2. As you can see, the roots of quadratic equation x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0 are x equals 2 or x equals positive 2. They are equal. Number 2. When b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots are real numbers and are not equal. Example, x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. Get the value of a, b, c. A equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals 3. Substitute to the discriminant formula. We get 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 3. Simplify, 4 squared equals 16. Negative 4 times 1 equals negative 4 times positive 3 equals negative 12. 16 minus 12 equals positive 4. Since the value of b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0 are real numbers and are not equal. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-solve natin, kinuha natin ang roots or solution ng x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0, ay hindi magkapareho ng sagot o ng roots. Alamin naman natin kung ang roots nga ba ng x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0 ay magkaiba sa pamamagitan ng factoring method. First, get the factor. The factors are the quantity of x plus 3 and the quantity of x plus 1 equals 0. Equate the factor equal to 0. X plus 3 equals 0. X equals negative 3. When the factor is x plus 1 equals 0, x equals negative 1. Now, the roots are x equals negative 3 and negative 1, which is not equal. Number 3. When b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, then the equation has no real roots. Example, x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. The value of a equals 1, b equals positive 1, c equals positive 1. Substitute the discriminant formula b squared minus 4ac. The equation is 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1. Simplify, 1 squared equals positive 1, negative 4 times 1 equals negative 1, times positive 1 equals negative 4. Then 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. The value of discriminant is negative 3. Since the value of discriminant is less than 0, we can say that the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0 are not real number or has no real roots. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-solve natin ang quadratic equation na ito, ang roots na makukuha natin will not satisfy the equation. Ngayon, alamin natin kung imaginary nga ba o has no real roots ang quadratic equation na ito sa pamamagitan ng quadratic formula. Identify first the value of a, b, c. A equals 1, b equals 1, c equals 1. Substitute to the quadratic formula, negative b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Ang ating equation, pagkatapos natin i-substitute ang value ng a, b, c ay negative times 1, positive negative square root of 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1, all over 2 times positive 1. Negative times positive 1 equals negative 1. 1 squared equals positive 1. Negative 4 times positive 1 is negative 4 times positive 1 equals negative 4. Positive 2 times positive 1 equals positive 2. Simplify, 1 minus 4 equals negative 3. Now, the roots of quadratic equation x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0 are negative 1, positive negative, square root of negative 3 all over 2. Kung mapapansin ninyo, negative yung nasa loob ng radical sign. Ibig sabihin nito, the roots of the quadratic equation x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0 are not real numbers. Thank you for watching.